Are you struggling to catch your breath? This may be a sign that your body is not functioning at its best. The best foods for your lungs. Taking a deep breath is a simple act, yet essential to our well-being. Our lungs, delicate organs susceptible to various external factors, deserve special attention. This video delves into the world of lung health, exploring how dietary choices can play a crucial role in maintaining optimal lung function. From beets to cocoa, discover the best foods that may help boost lung health and fortify your respiratory well-being. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on fostering a healthy lifestyle. Number 1. Peppers. Amp up your vitamin C intake with colorful peppers, a powerful antioxidant crucial for lung health. Especially beneficial for smokers, peppers can aid in replenishing antioxidant stores depleted by cigarette smoke. With one medium-sized sweet red pepper delivering 169% of the recommended vitamin C intake, these flavorful additions to your meals can be a lung-loving choice. Number 2. Apples. An apple a day may indeed keep respiratory issues at bay. Research indicates that regular apple consumption is associated with a slower decline in lung function, making them a tasty and accessible choice for promoting lung health. Packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, apples offer a delightful way to support your respiratory system. Number 3. Pumpkin. The vibrant orange flesh of pumpkins goes beyond fall decor, offering a rich source of carotenoids with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Carotenoids, such as beta-carotene and lutein, are linked to better lung function. For those who smoke, incorporating pumpkin into your diet may provide an extra layer of defense against potential lung damage. Number 4. Oysters. Dive into the nutrient-rich world of oysters, where zinc, selenium, B vitamins, and copper converge to promote lung health. Studies indicate that higher blood levels of selenium and copper are linked to greater lung function. For those who smoke, the B vitamins and zinc in oysters may offer protective effects against potential nutrient depletion. Enjoy these ocean gems as part of a lung-friendly diet. Number 5. Turmeric. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects, turmeric and its active component, curcumin, could be a game-changer for lung health. Studies show that curcumin intake is associated with improved lung function, with smokers benefiting significantly from its anti-inflammatory properties. Spice up your dishes with turmeric to potentially enhance your respiratory well-being. Number 6. Beets and beet greens. Start your journey to lung health with the vibrant hues of beets and their nutrient-packed greens. Rich in nitrates, beets help relax blood vessels, reduce blood pressure, and optimize oxygen uptake. Whether you enjoy them in salads or smoothies, beets contribute to improved lung function, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Number 7. Tomato and tomato products. Tomatoes and their versatile products are rich in lycopene, a carotenoid associated with improved lung health. Whether reducing airway inflammation in asthma or enhancing lung function in COPD, tomatoes have shown promising benefits. Including these red gems in your diet may contribute to maintaining robust respiratory function. Number 8. Blueberries. Blueberries, bursting with nutrients, offer more than just a sweet treat. Loaded with anthocyanins, potent pigments with antioxidant properties, blueberries may protect lung tissue from oxidative damage. Studies indicate that regular consumption of blueberries can slow the decline in lung function, making them a delicious choice for lung health. Number 9. Green tea. Elevate your beverage choice to green tea, a drink celebrated for its numerous health benefits. Rich in epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, green tea's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties may combat fibrosis or scarring of lung tissues. Preliminary studies suggest that EGCG could be a promising player in the treatment of pulmonary fibrosis, emphasizing the potential lung protective effects of this soothing beverage. Number 10. Red cabbage. An affordable source of anthocyanins linked to reduced decline in lung function. Beyond its striking appearance, cabbage is a fiber-packed vegetable. Studies highlight the positive association between fiber-rich diets and improved lung function. Add red cabbage to your plate for a flavorful and lung-loving boost. Number 11. Yogurt. A source of calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and selenium. Research suggests that these nutrients may contribute to increased lung function, and a reduced risk of COPD. With a 35% reduced risk of COPD associated with the highest calcium intake, yogurt emerges as a dairy delight that supports respiratory well-being. As you embark on the journey to prioritize your lung health, remember that your dietary choices play a vital role. Incorporating these lung-loving foods into your meals can be a delicious and proactive way to support your respiratory well-being. Make small changes, savor the flavors, and breathe easy knowing that you're nurturing your lungs with every bite. For more tips on a healthy lifestyle, subscribe for regular updates.